Open the package. You'll find a fragrance diffuser, a host fragrance stick, and a special wire harness. Remove the cap of the fragrance stick and insert it into the diffuser. Take out the wire harness. 4. Open the glove box and plug the USB connector into a USB port. The wire neatly along the right side of the glove box. Carefully pry open the panel below the glove box. Pull the other end of the wire through the gap in the panel and connect it to the fragrance diffuser. Peel off the adhesive backing and stick it onto the panel. Tighten the screws on both sides of the fragrance and ensure the diffuser is securely in place.